Hey, what's up guys, this is Waxn 24/7 Custom Detailing. We got a 63 Impala here. Basically this car sat in a garage from what I understand for about 15 to 20 years. The owner really didn't have, I guess, the means of getting this car together. So I got a call from my buddy Eddie Blueline, hit me up. Eddie said, Alex, I need something, I need help, you know what I mean? I need something to make this car look drivable on the freeway. He wants to roll up and show everybody what he got. So I said, all right, man. I went down to Riverside, California. Took a little sneak peek about it. I was like, wow, this guy needs help, you know? So we set up an appointment and basically let him know that basically this is gonna be a full custom detail, because every car that we do is custom, every car that we do is different. And this detail is gonna be a custom detail because he has parts in this car that are actually pretty clean, and then he has parts in this car that are not clean, that need to be attended, need to be polished, buffed. You know, they need that extra oomph, you know what I mean? Like I always say, to bring the car to life, you know what I mean? Not only looking wise, but you wanna feel it, you know what I mean? You wanna see what it actually is, you know what I mean? So this is a 63 Impala and it sat for a while in the garage. And now basically one thing that we told him, we're gonna do a heavy foam bath and a nice good color sand and open up this paint. Let this paint breathe open and just give it a nice consistent buff throughout the car. We're gonna do 2 stages, a heavy cut compound, then we'll go down to a fine cut compound. That fine cut compound is gonna actually bring out the color and make this car actually look like a diamond. Then we hit it with a finer polish. Once we hit it with that fine polish, the depth of the color comes in, and this color looks like an orange red. There's a lot of little things on here that need to be corrected. On one side of the quarter panel, there's a touch up that someone didn't actually, I don't know if they try to blend it or what, but we're gonna correct that. You might be a little bit off on color a little bit, but for the most part, we're gonna make sure that this car looks glass when we're done with it. Like no swirls, no scratches, no imperfections, you know, besides whatever's here, you know. Like I said, this car's all original, at least for 20 years. So we wanna bring it back to life. The top right here, I mean, it's an original top, so we want to take care of it. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm throwing chemicals on it that are gonna, you know, make it look good. But I know how to use chemicals, and I know what I'm doing to make sure that this doesn't deteriorate when we're using the pressure washer or we're using too much power. That's why I always advise guys, you know, don't even use anything that's too commercial, because this is a car, and this is a classic car at that. You know what I mean? We don't want no damages, ripping off paint, because that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to remove dirt so we can get to the surface of paint and you know, exfoliate that paint and make sure that we get this paint looking bright, you know, bright in color. So hopefully you guys will see this all stock car pretty soon. My name is Alex. I'm from Waxn 24/7 out of the Whittier area. I do custom detailing, specialize in Harley-Davidsons and lowrider type cars. You know, lowrider type cars all have custom paint, custom wheels, custom chroming. That's kind of what we specialize in, and that's exactly what we do.